Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now you notice that I have a penguin and a rooster! Yay me! Yay. Okay, I'm going to show you the best animal dances with your pet. So you can see I have a penguin and a rooster. I got the rooster like yesterday, so I know. I thought it was a member, but now it's a non-member. How does that work? Okay, whatever. So first, you get a press on dance, and you have both of them. Something just beautiful happened with it. There you go. See, you're dancing together. See, isn't this a beautiful dance? You have to do it twice because you should go the other way. If that happens, so you can press it again. I'm sorry, this is beautiful. I'm staring into the distance.
Yeah, so if you look back into the month of September, the warmest September on record for 85 cities across the East Coast. A tremendous heat that was locked in place by a ridge of high pressure that had been dominant for a long time over this region. Even heading into the month of October, the temperatures for an average here 13 degrees above average as of October 10th. I mean, tremendous amount of heat on October. There was a big ridge of high pressure that was down here. A big ridge of high pressure that was locked in over Western the southeast United States for more or less 4 weeks, if not months, leading up to this. And what that did, not just to the atmosphere and make everything really warm, it also made the ocean waters really warm. And you get anomalies